In software development, quality is a key factor that determines the success of a product. Despite rigorous testing and quality assurance practices, some defects manage to bypass all internal checks and make their way into the release software. These defects are known as escape defects. Essentially, they escape detection during development and testing and are only discovered by users or in a live environment. An escape defect is any bug, error, or issue that was not caught during the internal testing phases of software development. This can include functional errors, usability issues, performance bottlenecks, or security vulnerabilities. These defects are often discovered post-release, either through user reports, automated monitoring, or error tracking systems. Escape defects typically occur due to gaps in testing coverage, incomplete understanding of requirements, miscommunication among team members, or insufficient test cases can contribute to these defects. Sometimes tight deadlines or resource constraints force teams to skip certain types of testing, which increases the likelihood of defects slipping through. Even with comprehensive testing, certain scenarios are difficult to replicate in a test environment. For example, edge cases, high-load situations, or unexpected user behavior can expose defects that were not evident during development. This makes escape defects a natural risk in software projects, highlighting the limits of even the most rigorous testing processes. Escaped defects can range from minor cosmetic issues, such as incorrect labels or alignment problems, to major functional problems like system crashes or security breaches. A classic example is a mobile app that works perfectly in internal testing but fails on specific devices or operating system versions in the real world. The impact of escape defects on end users can vary. Minor defects may cause annoyance or confusion, while critical defects can disrupt workflows, cause data loss, or compromise security. Regardless of severity, escape defects can negatively affect user satisfaction and the credibility of the software provider. Escape defects have consequences beyond the technical domain. They can lead to customer complaints, increased support costs, delayed project timelines, and even reputational damage. In high-stakes industries like finance or healthcare, escape defects can result in legal or compliance issues. Escape defects are usually identified through user feedback monitoring tools, error logs, or automated post-release testing. Bug tracking systems and customer support channels play a crucial role in reporting and prioritizing these defects for resolution. Prompt detection is key to minimizing negative effects on users and the business. To reduce escape defects, organizations invest in preventive measures. These include thorough requirements analysis, automated testing, continuous integration, code reviews, exploratory testing, and robust user acceptance testing. Each layer of quality assurance decreases the likelihood of defects escaping to production. Managing escape defects involves triaging reported issues, prioritizing fixes based on severity, and deploying patches or updates efficiently. Post-release defect analysis is critical for learning from mistakes and improving future development cycles. Teams often track metrics like defect leakage rate, which measures the proportion of defects that escape internal testing. In summary, escape defects are an unavoidable reality of software development, representing defects that bypass internal quality checks and affect real users. While they can have technical, user, and business impacts, careful planning, thorough testing, and post-release monitoring help mitigate their effects. Understanding and analyzing escape defects is essential for continuous improvement in software quality.